A low-cost flag does two things for your sports event. One, it makes your event look absolutely colorful and festive. And two, it keeps your budget and your costs under control. At Orchid Digitals, we specialize in making flags with custom designs. Any design or artwork that you give to us. Give us any name for your sports team, whether they are named Thepla Thunders, Partra Panthers, or even those Dhokla Dynamos. We can take your design file and reproduce it at an extremely high resolution on this thin fabric polyester-cotton blended cloth material. And once the printing is done, we even stitch your job for a perfect finish. For example, we seam the flags on all three sides so that there are no frayed or torn ends. And if you notice, we even created a pocket on the left to allow you to push your hoisting rope inside. And the end result is a flag that is going to fly high in the wind and catch everybody's attention. And for more such interesting tips on printing and signage solutions, do not hesitate to follow us here at orchiddigitals.com.